Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shimela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm sharing a different style of butter chicken which is packed full of flavors and butter. So I must say this is a very popular and world famous Aslam Tasla butter chicken. It's a very different and unique which has a combination of butter, cream and chicken. It's a very easy to make recipe. So let's see how to make this. In a bowl, add 1 kg chicken, goes in 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon roasted kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, and now give this a very good mix. And now keep a foil or a small bowl, place hot charcoal, pour few drops of oil on it, and now close the lid and give charcoal smoke for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to marinate this for 2 hours. Let's fry the chicken pieces. Heat 1/4 cup oil in a grilling pan. Place the marinated chicken pieces as directed. Fry this for 6 minutes each side on medium-high heat. And now turn the other side and cook for 6 more minutes. Once done, transfer this chicken to steel bowl, tasla. And now let's make a quick spice mix. In a small bowl, add a teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder or yellow chili powder. Give this a nice mix and set this aside. Now let's make a quick gravy for this fried chicken. Add 1 cup fresh cream, 1 cup curd, goes in 1 teaspoon spice mix. Mix this nicely, and now I'm going to add this mixture to the fried chicken. Goes in 1 teaspoon spice mix and top up with 1 cup melted butter. And now we have to toss it like this. So this is done. Creamy buttery Aslam Tasla butter chicken is ready to serve with rumali roti or butter naan. Now you don't have to visit Old Delhi for this. You can make yours at home very easily. It's my family's favorite dish. I hope yours will love it too. So guys, try this at your home and let me know how it turned out for you. If you make recipes from our channel, make sure to post it and tag it on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more interesting recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.